Welcome to CBSE Science Experiments. Today I am going to discuss about a special type of experiment that is related to crystallization. Crystallization is a process in which we can prepare solid crystals from its supersaturated solution. So here I am going to show you the crystallization technique of salt. You can prepare crystals of salt, copper sulfate salt, or generally NaCl salt, or sometime alarm. You can prepare, or you can prepare crystals of sugar. So we can prepare like this. But here I have prepared the crystals of salt. Before going to that experiment, I want to discuss about the saturated solution, unsaturated solution, and super saturated solution. So here, first I have taken some water and salt. Already I prepared, means this to prepare this full crystallization technique, actually near about 1 day or 2 days is required. Just I spend here only 1 day. So here I have taken to explain saturated, unsaturated, and super saturated solution. I have taken one test tube, and in this test tube some water and salt is taken. So actually I have prepared this saturated solution. I have prepared this solution is actually now saturated solution, and this is unsaturated solution. How will I know that it is a unsaturated solution? Just look here. If I add more salt, then you can see it will be absorbed very soon. Absorbed, no, dissolved. You can see the salt has dissolved. Okay, salt has dissolved. Means this solution is now unsaturated solution. If we add more salt, we can dissolve more salt in this solution. So this is unsaturated solution. Now this is actually already I have prepared this one saturated solution. Why it is saturated solution? Because you can see some portion of the salts is deposited just at the bottom of the test tube. Means more salt we cannot dissolve in this solution. Let's do experiment. See, the salt is present. Extra salt is present here at the bottom of the test tube. So means this is totally saturated solution, and more salt we cannot dissolve, but we can dissolve it in another way. How? If I if I increase the temperature, Actually, as I am using a candle light, so that's why carbon is accumulating. Now you can see slowly the salt is getting decreased, means the deposited salt is getting decreased. Means if we increase the temperature more, if we give more time, then slowly all the deposited salt will be dissolved. Okay, so now in this condition, this solution is actually super saturated solution. Okay, so this type of super saturated solution is required to do the performance, to do the activity related to crystallization technique. So already I have prepared it from previously I have prepared it. So just one day I spent to prepare this crystal. You can see, you can see nice crystal has prepared. You can see nice crystal has prepared, of crystal of salt has prepared. Okay, this type of actually arrangement you have to do just how I have done it. Same arrangement you have to do. And when you will suspend this, will suspend this thread, then you will see after 1 day or 2 day, this type of nice crystallization or nice crystals will be developed. And let me pull out. See, this is the crystal. Nice structure. You can see more close if I come. See, so this type of crystal will be developed, and if we spend more time, then more crystals will be accumulated on the thread. Okay, so this is the matter, and you can prepare this type of crystals of sugar, copper sulfate, and more other solids you can prepare. So this experiment was 100% successful. And so actually what is happening when I prepared this arrangement, that time the temperature was high, and slowly when the temperature is getting decreased, that time what is happening, that time the crystals of the salt is depositing or precipitating at the center, and as I suspend one thread at the center, so that on that thread the salt crystals getting deposited. That is the main reason. Okay, so that is the matter, and today up to this much. Thank you.